just finishing up this delivery, getting my buns kicked today. I got a late load, it's about 3 or 4 hours late, so that ended up pushing off all my deliveries from yesterday to today.
Take the next right onto East Home Improvement Way.
So I gotta haul buns and get these finished up. Since it's Friday, I won't be able to deliver tomorrow.
In 600 feet, turn right onto Arizona 87 North South Arizona Avenue.
So hopefully I can catch back up. Right now I'm out here in Phoenix. So just dropped off to a Home Depot,
Take the next right onto Arizona 87 North
which was
South
pretty nice.
Arizona Avenue.
Nice and easy delivery. So now I'm heading to my next stop. Figured I'd turn you guys on for a little bit, since I got about a 30-minute drive.
Continue for 3 miles.
Ah, I love these trees. Here we go. Little free tree trimming for them. Gotta love that. Send the city a bill. That one I cleared. Yeah, this is beautiful Arizona. Nice and hot. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's 104 degrees. Feels like 1,000. Especially being out there working behind that Home Depot, man. I mean, I don't have to do much. I just pull the curtains, unstrap, restrap, close the curtains. So pretty easy. It's not like I'm pallet jacking in the trailer or anything. You know, some people have it a lot tougher. But for the most part, yeah, it's pretty easy. Can't complain. Yeah, that getting loaded late really messed me up yesterday, because like I ran out of hours, you know, at like 3 p.m. since I had like a 4-hour break in the middle of my day. It was weird. I mean, I still don't quite understand the hours of service and stuff. I mean, yeah, I've been doing this for a while, for a few months now, but before I never really had to worry about it. You know, I was just doing like hour-long drives. I mean, there was really no reason to even clock in to the ELD, but we still clocked in for it, you know, just to keep track of it and, you know, all that good stuff. But yeah, it was all real short drives before, so I never had to worry about going over service or anything like that. This is a whole different ball game. I mean, it's cool, but I'm still learning. Still a rookie at this, you know, even though I've been driving for 4 years. This is completely different driving than what I'm used to, you know. I was driving back in winery roads and going to wineries and, you know, pulling a 53-foot trailer with machinery in the back, bottling equipment. And then I pull up to the winery and I would bottle wine for them. So, you know, it was not a whole lot of driving. You know, sometimes I would sit at a winery for a week, you know, and then get back behind the wheel and drive more. So my 4 years are still pretty limited, but I feel like I'm a pretty good driver. I had to drive some hellacious roads for these wineries, you know, and back them into some of the craziest spots that you could imagine. I mean, a lot of these roads weren't even designed for trucks. I wish they were. So yeah, it was really difficult driving, and to be learning like that, you know, it's probably a good thing for me. You know, it just threw me right into like expert driving situations. The only thing I didn't really learn to do was you know, the ELD, which is like my weak point at this moment, I think. But I'm getting it. Every day I learn something, I guess, new. Not necessarily about the ELD, but just in life in general. But yeah, this is not a bad area to be driving in. Phoenix is nice and white, open. Not really tight. You know, you go into Tucson area and it gets pretty tight. I'll probably be going there sometime soon. You know, you go into El Paso, Texas, it gets pretty tight, pretty congested. I'll probably be going there sometime soon, which I don't mind it, you know. It's cool going to the different towns and seeing different things, talking to different people. Alright, this looks like it's gonna be my exit here, or entrance. .202 West. So yeah, all my deliveries from yesterday I had to push off to today. Well, not all of them, a few of them. I only got a few done yesterday. So it made my Friday a lot harder. I probably won't get back till Saturday. Which is cool. You know, I had it being Labor Day weekend, you know, everyone had Monday off, so it was just crazy where I was loading up. You know, I don't blame those guys at all. I know they're doing the best they can. They had 2 trucks they were unloading and 2 trucks they were loading, plus me. So, and I was last in line. Well, actually, I take that back. There was one guy after me that showed up after I did that needed to unload. But it's been kind of crazy because like a lot of the wood is stuck in containers off the coast here, so the supply is just not there.
Use the left 2 lanes to turn left onto the Arizona 202 West ramp.
Alright. Hopefully I get to see some truckers on this. I don't know if I've been on this road before. West 202? Maybe I have. Oh yeah, I got a guy behind me. Sweet. Always like looking for truckers on roads that I don't know. That way I can tell. Oh, come on, FedEx. Really, dude? You gotta pull out that far?
In a quarter mile, merge onto Arizona 202, Arizona 202 west.
He was fine. He knows what he's doing. Yeah, me, I like to float gears. I mean, I'll double clutch too, but for the most part, I float my gears. It's just a lot easier.
Arizona 202 for 2 miles.
Seems to go faster and it's less stress on my knee. You know, not saying my knee's bad.
Use the right 2 lanes to take exit 58 for Arizona 101 north.
The less strain I put on it, the longer it'll last. Be jumping off real quick here.